I'm not really afraid of heat, so if you see me go through one section about 4 times, I'll be lonely. Guess you don't know me. Guess loyal, baby. I guess. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see by this title, this is my hair straightening routine. This is the routine I've been doing ever since I went natural. These are the products that I've been using, with an exception to one product that I tried for the first time today, which I really did like. So if you guys want to see how I got these silky results, keep watching. So for me, I feel like my hair straightens better or blow dries better once it's wet. So I'm going to be wetting my hair first, and then I'm going to go in with my products. So I'm going to be going in with my Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Leave-In Conditioner. This is also one of my favorite leave-in conditioners. In my winter beauty makeover video, I mentioned that the shampoo for this leave-in conditioner is my top 1 favorite go-to shampoo. So these 2 products I feel like go really well with my hair. They're very moisturizing but not too thick, which I love for my hair. And when I'm applying these products, I'm making sure not to be too heavy-handed because I am putting 3 products on my hair. And with straightening my hair, I don't want my hair to be greasy and weighed down. I want it to be silky and flowy. So I am putting more products on my hair because I just dyed my hair, but I'm making sure not to be heavy-handed. So next, I'm going to be going in with my Lotta Body Coconut and Shea Oil Sleek Me Blowout Lotion. This is the product that I use when I blow dry my hair all the time. Sometimes I don't go in with the leave-in conditioner and I'll go straight in with this product because it is moisturizing and it does leave my blowouts very silky as well. And the last product that I'll be putting in my hair is this Chai, I'm not really sure how to pronounce it. Chai Keratin Silk Infusion. I really never tried this before, so hopefully it gives me the silky straight look that I'm going for. I have high hopes for it because I've heard a lot of good things about this company. So I'm gonna see how it feels on my hair right now. I've never tried this product before. I actually have to take the seal off because I'm squeezing and nothing's coming out. It kind of has a consistency of the Sleek Me Blowout Lotion, so hopefully they don't, you know, make my hair oily because I'm putting both of them on my hair. So first impressions, this actually smells really good. It smells like, you know, a high-end product. I don't know. I feel like if you know what I mean, you know, but I don't really know how to elaborate on what a high-end product smells like, but it just smells high-end to me. This small bottle was $15 from TJ Maxx. But yeah, I'm just making sure I get most of my strands. I know I can't get all of them, but most of them. And then we're gonna go ahead and blow dry this section. So I'm gonna be going in with my Revlon blow drying brush. I always use this to blow dry my hair now. Ever since I got it, I have not reverted back to the traditional blow dryer. I love this blow drying brush. It really does cut down your blow drying time in half. Okay, so half of my head is done with the blow drying. So as you can see, my hair is pretty straight just from blow drying, and I make sure that my hair is as straight as possible with the blow dryer because I feel like it's a great foundation for my hair to be silkier. And also I feel like it allows me to not put the heat as high on my flat iron. The silkier your blowout is, the better your straightening process is going to be, and the longer your hair will stay straight. So make sure that you're blow drying your hair to get it as straight as possible before actually straightening your hair. Okay, so now that my hair is completely blow dried and very flowy, I do like the combination of products that I mentioned earlier. So I think that this is going to be my new staple. I think I'm going to incorporate this chai keratin silk infusion into my flat iron routine now, because like I mentioned, it's my first time using it, but I really do like it. So I have my flat iron. It's from Hair Art. It's a ceramic flat iron, and the temperature that I have it on is between 370 and 450. Like that's like it breaks up the ranges like that, so it's in between those two numbers. So I don't have an exact number, but somewhere between there. And then I also have my smaller flat iron for the perimeter of my hair, and this goes up to I believe 410 or 450. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start flat ironing. I usually do 2 or 3 passes at my roots and then 1 to 2 passes at the length of my hair. I'm not really afraid of heat, so if you see me go through one section about 4 times, that's my preference, and it works for me. So if you're shy of heat, then obviously I wouldn't recommend you going over your hair 4 or 5 times. But for me, I'm not shy with the heat, so let's get into flat ironing the hair. So I don't know if I mentioned it, but I do like to go in with this Verb Ghost oil. I love this oil. I've been using this oil on my hair since I was texturized. It's really helpful to add shine to my hair. It allows my hair to have more movement, adds to the silkiness. So I always go in with this Verb oil. I'm gonna go in with this She Is Bomb Collection Edge Control just to flick the front of my hair and do my little edges. I'm gonna also bump the ends of my hair because it looks pretty, you know, flat, and I want a little bit of volume. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that and then come back to you guys with the finished results. Okay, so this is the final results of me straightening my hair. As you can see, this side looks all cute and flirty, and this side is just like, I don't know how I did this, but I can't replicate it on this side, so we're just gonna stick with what we have. At nighttime, I usually just wrap my hair, you know how they normally do it in the salon with the pins and this net, and then I'll put like a silk scarf on top, if you guys are wondering how I'll preserve my straight hair throughout the, you know, time that it'll be straight. But yeah, I'm gonna try again tomorrow. I don't want to keep going over my hair with the flat iron right now, but yeah, this is what we have. This is the final results. I'll give you guys like a full 360 so you can see how it came out. So that is my hair. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.